guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jagashini. I remember so many of you wanted to get a room tour of my quarantine room, and I'm leaving right now. I'm all packed. The room is a mess, but I still wanted to show you the room that I stayed at. I had such a good time staying here. So I hope that you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the bell icon after you have hit the subscribe button. Leave your comment down below, because you see I do take your requests very seriously. So I really hope that you like this. Let's begin. Let's start with the two beautiful French windows. So immediately when you walk inside my room, you see these beautiful French windows. They were just the best part of the room. Of course, there was the sofa where I used to dump everything. The room is super messy. I am sorry, but I literally unmade everything to move out. This is a glimpse of the bath, but I won't give a full view because it's a bit private. You see these two stools stacked on top of each other because this is where I placed my camera and sat over the bed there to shoot all of my quarantine videos. There is the radiator, super messy bed, and I'm going to now take you to the other side after showing you the view of the room as you enter from the door. Okay, so there were two tables on both sides of the bed and table lamps, which was very convenient to read at night. And this is the spot where I used to sit at and film all the quarantine videos you have watched. Hopefully, if not, links in the description. And this is how the room looked from the other side, like if you stood on the window side. As you can see, the desk, which although is super messy and might trigger the bit of organizational anxiety in you, I did make an organize a desk with me video, and it will be a crime if I did not mention this tea kettle because it literally saved my life in quarantine. And that was it, a super quick tour of my quarantine room. Hope you liked it, guys. Bye.